Hello guys, I am Ranjan Mishra, Revolution Physics Ghaziabad. Today we are going to derive lens maker formula and lens formula. That is the topic included in refraction by lenses. This formula is very important for both point of view. In term to examination, either there will be a numerical on it or derivation on it or both. Okay, so this topic is very important. Okay, let's derive the lens formula and lens maker formula. Okay, I have taken a lens. Let's have a lens. It is a convex lens. Here this lens is made of two surfaces. One surface is this and another surface is this. Let A, B, C, D. One surface is ABC and another surface is ABC. There is two surfaces, and for diffraction from a spherical surface, we have already derived a formula mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. Mu is a refractive index in which image is formed. Mu1 is refractive index in which object is placed, and R is radius of curvature of the spherical surface. Here there is two spherical surface. Let the R1 be the radius of curvature of ABC and R2 be the radius of curvature of ADC. Okay, now let us consider object is here and the medium of object is mu m. I have written m because it is refractive index of medium, and refractive index of lens is, let us consider, it is mu l. Okay, now if a light fall on it, first it will be refracted from A, B, C, the first surface. Let it make, if there is no second surface, then it must make an image. Let it be I1. Okay. Remember that this image is not formed in this medium. It is in the lens, because the final image will be like this after the refraction from the second surface. It will be the final image. The key point you have to remember in this derivation, that I1 is not in the mu m medium, it is in mu l medium, it is within the lens. Okay, this is the key point. If you get this point, there is no problem in deriving the formula. Okay, let it is O, this is I, and this is I1. Okay, this distance is U, and this distance is V, and this distance is V1. Okay, now let me explain. OB is approximately equal to OD, because we are considering lens is thin. It is a thin lens. Okay, DI can be treated as BI. Okay, and that will be equal to V. This will be equal to minus U, and DI1 approximately equal to BI1, and that is equal to V1. We have taken the values. Now, first refraction from the first surface, refraction from the surface ABC. Then where is the image by the surface ABC? It is in medium mu L, and this is V1. So we will write mu L upon the image is V1. It is V1 minus object distance. Object is OB, that is it is in mu M, and that is U. I have written OB or OD, that is equal to U. Okay, and that will equal to mu2 minus mu1, that is mu L minus mu N upon R1, because the radius of curvature of surface ABC is R1. Let's say this equation number 1. Now refraction from second surface, refraction from surface A DC. Now the final image in medium mu M. Here this medium and this medium is same. We take medium in which image is formed. So final image is formed in mu M, and it is V. This is V di, that is V, minus mu L, because object, this image I1 act as an object for surface ADC, and it is in medium mu L, and its distance is V1, and so now mu M minus mu L upon R2, let it be 2, equation number 2. Now add equation 1 and equation 2. See here, here is mu L upon V1, and here is minus mu L upon V1. Cancel out. Here is mu1 upon V and mu1 upon U. So result will be mu M upon V minus mu M upon U. Okay. In right side, mu L minus mu N, and here is mu M minus mu L. Here is mu L, here is mu M. If I take mu L as common, it becomes negative, and I can take mu L minus mu M as common, and it will be 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Now mu L is common here, mu M, and it will be 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, and that is equal to mu L mu M 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Now if I divide this mu M in this side, what we will get? It will be 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to mu L upon mu M minus 1, and multiply by 1 upon R1 upon 1 upon R2. This is first equation. This is equation number 3. Let's say equation number 3. Okay. Now, if I take this object at infinity, if I take U at infinity, then final image will be formed as focus. So this equation becomes 1 upon F equal to mu L upon mu M minus 1, and 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This equation is known as Lensmaker formula. This is Lensmaker's formula. Okay, this is called Lensmaker formula, and name it as equation number 4. Now from equation 3 and equation 4, right hand side is equal. So from equation 3 and 4, we can say that right side is equal, so left side will be equal, and it comes 1 upon F equal to 1 upon B minus 1 upon U. This is called Lens formula. Okay, this is called Lens formula, and this is the whole derivation. You can take a screenshot total derivation of length by curve formula and length formula. Okay. Thank you.